have some...
Hey, this is Cricket from Favorite Drive.
Oh,
Welcome to the...
what is this shit?
Shiznit.
Well. Nick, look at this. I hate this dog. I'm gonna make no. Okay, okay. N. Is that an N?
Yeah, it's an N.
Are you sure? Okay. N. I. C. K. Nick! I love you. I love... Oh my god.
It's over.
It's over. Today was pretty great. It was awesome. So happy I met you. I look cross-eyed on my cam. Wow.
You struck me.
So... I hate watermelon. She's trying to feed me watermelon. Like, freaking huge chunk of frozen. It's gay. Like, oh my god. Nick! Oh my god, I failed. I love you. You as in the vowel. This sounds weird because it's like, yeah, and it's like, no. No. You should get up and dance with me. We'll just have a dancing party, okay? And my no. Yeah. I hope you have a great day. I don't know. Wow, look, oh my god, you're talking to me on MSN. No. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna play another song because that's how much I love you. I don't know. This song is good. You're amazing. Yeah, I totally think you should come to my school. Again, just, you know, fail. Fail your grade. Totally fail. Then you can come be in my class, and then I'd love you for longer. Anyways. I don't even know if you can hear me because that sounds really loud, but I hope you can because, I don't know, this video is like so long. Maybe I should stop because guys don't really like watching videos. No. Whatever. Yeah. Well. Chapter. I used to be locked up, and now I'm over. I got this. Anyways. Yeah, I should probably stop this video because it's getting really long. Anyways,
Go eat that cracker.
Anywho, you're awesome.
Go to Walmart. Get one.
Walmart. Anyways,
Do you want candy?
Yes, I love binoculars. You.
2 of those are vowels.
Birds.
Ooh.
You are adorable. I totally didn't even say that, but didn't say that when we were hanging out. I don't know, because you're bad. You gave me a monster. And, yeah. Bye. Hurts. Oh, fuck. This way. I love Nick.